Best health benefits of guava fruit. Hunger pangs lead to overeating, which in turn results in constipation. Thus, consumption of guavas during this time promotes good digestion owing to its laxative content. Juices or decoction of guava leaves is helpful if you are suffering from the flu. Guavas contain vitamin C and iron that are extremely beneficial in treating cold and viral infections. The delicious guava also renders a healthy and glowing complexion. They enhance the texture of the skin and prevent it from acquiring skin problems such as wrinkles and acne. Cholesterol and blood pressure levels are a common problem among most people around the world. Guavas help in minimizing blood thickening because of its richness in fiber and hypoglycemic nature. Ever thought of reducing weight in a healthy way? The guava is your answer as it induces roughage. Besides, this is a complete no cholesterol and low carbohydrate fruit. This fruit is beneficial for diabetics as it contains a low amount of natural sugar. Guavas are thus important in controlling and lowering blood glucose levels. The juice of guava contains astringents that help in alleviating toothaches, swollen gums and ulcers in the mouth.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel.